Alright, we're going to Studley Park.
So guys, we just arrived and Riley's getting a sunscreen put on. Okay, I'll meet you at the boats, guys. Peace. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today, well, we decided to head, since it's hot and we're still in summer, we decided to go to this river down there and do some filming and shots. We're going on a boat down at the river, at the Yarra River, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm just gonna go down. Make sure let's just look down together.
So this is Riley's first time rowing a boat.
Oh my god! Wow, what piece of that? The goose one.
Now they're trying to coordinate, both doing it, one each.
Can you just do it?
It's pretty hard, isn't it?
Yeah. Dad, can you do it with me? Dad!
Alright.
Well guys, we just got onto the boat.
Lee, you want to say something?
This is scary. I think you need long arms for this, but he doesn't. I'm getting a little bit somewhere. All the extra bits headed in. See, I'm moving. Can we start to head over there where the bridge is? See that?
You're the captain.
Alright, can I go there, Dad?
Yep.
This is how you turn. Actually, it is. Hang on, I have to do this. Turn. Oh, it's working. Look, we're turning. Goose coming up to us. Go Riley. Cheer on Riley, everybody. Actually, I'm not terrible at this. No. I'm heading for shore. Oh, see? I'm a god at this. Yeah, I'm not a god. There's no way I'm a god. Especially no practice. But I'm good for a beginner.
Come on, the duck's beating us, look.
Oh.
The duck's overtaking us.
Let's turn back around.
Hey little guy, can you give us a tow?
A toe? That's me.
Now it's Leah's turn to try rowing.
Oh my gosh. Duck, I know I'm bad, but you don't have to make me feel even worse.
Can you get us under that bridge, do you reckon?
Alright. Yeah, let Dad have a turn. It's much faster. No, you're not, Riley. You're not the captain. Everybody is. No, I'm the captain because I'm the driver. I'll get us to the bridge. Dad, you know we're doing the whole lap.
Okay, once we get to the bridge, I'll have
Your turn.
Yeah.
It's your turn.
And then we'll start going turbo mode.
Hey!
No, I'm joking, we've already been going turbo mode.
Please, now. Guys, we're almost there. Don't you reckon it's amazing? I went this way.
We just passed the bridge.
Yeah, hang on, few more rows. Too fun. Oh, doing this all day. Oh, your turn. Well, guys, I just rode all the way to the bridge by myself. Isn't that shocking, guys?
We're gonna go back now.
That actually is pretty incredible. Well guys, that was the boat ride. I've been wondering how deep the water is or what it looks like in the water. So we're gonna dump the GoPro in the water and going in. This will be exciting and cool. So guys, now we're going to get hot chocolate. I'll meet you there. Where are we sitting here?
Yeah, because that's it.
Why do they use fake cactuses? That's just
I'd
stupid.
say because it's easy to look after than the real ones. So we found this nice cafe and we're getting some lunch. Hey mate, do you want a hot chocolate or a coffee?
Actually, I don't know what to pick out of those. That is actually a hard one. I'm picking that chocolate. Ta-da! I don't know what species that is, but... Well guys, I ordered this. Whoa! How did he do that? How did she do that? Fish skin. Doesn't break. Actually, can you cut it for me? Well guys, we just finished the ride and we finished lunch too. I got a cappuccino and my sister got a hot chocolate. But now we're going to this park, like grassland place where we're going to see some bats.
But first let's check out these, are they geese?
Yeah, we're gonna see.
These big ducks.
Are you sure, Dad?
Yeah, go lower so we can reach it.
Oh my gosh, look Dad. Dad, look at this.
So that was the Studley Park Boathouse. Now we're going to the Flying Foxes. So we just drove a couple of minutes down the road and now we might find some bats.
Dad, are they in a cage or are they loose?
They're loose. This is where they live.
Dad, look! See all those black things on the tree there? They're bats. Oh my god! Wait, they're all good apart. They should put a rail here. Hey Dad, do you know what would be funny?
What's that?
If you saw Batman walking up this park and saying, "Boy, look at the bats!" I'll just go up to him and grab his face and rip off the mask. It's a nice stupid Batman.
Well, Batman probably lives here.
No, Batman's safe. we started walking down the bat path and look, there's bats everywhere.
They're all waving
Look
at us.
at that, guys.
Hi. They're all waving at us, Dad.
Dad,
They're waving at you and looking at you. Oh my god. In fact, I think they're cuter than Haley's. Oh my gosh, look over there as well. It's so cute. Something just swooped to me. But it was like this big, not a bat.
if I had to be a bat, I'd be that one. Because if I get a whole tree to myself, do you know the other bats on it?
Yeah.
I could do it. If I see that, I want to be that bad. Because I get to be with all my family and meet new stuff. Then why is that guy on his own? Why is
Hey little guy. Maybe he's got COVID and he's isolating. We've now switched to the phone. The camera is overheating and won't let us record anymore. This looks alright though.
not even one bat would be like...
Alana didn't want to come. She thought this park would be boring and there'd be no bats during the day, but they're all here during the day. There's also, guys, a new Batman movie coming out soon. I think I saw a trailer for it on YouTube.
Oh, maybe that's why they're all sort of like, yay, yay, yay.
Yeah, that's probably why they're making that noise.
Yeah, you reckon
like,
they might have seen the ad too. Now they're all
They
excited.
probably think we're gonna like pick them up and just take them all to our house so like they can watch a new Batman movie. Batman, come out, come out. There you are.
So we've seen all the bats, now we're going back to the car.
Oh flip, there's a spider on me. Put your hand.